Hey guys, back on day 5 now. Friday, final day of the week. Before I start looking for trades, I want to mention a few things. I'm going to do some testing and brainstorming over the weekend. And next week, consider tweaking some things like targets, how I read trend on the higher time frame, what zones are valid, and just other confluences. Because I looked back over my videos this week, and if I had taken profits at 1 to 2, I would be up 4R on the week. So there's things that I can tweak, adjustments I can make to the strategy, because I don't know anybody that trades a strategy on the 1 minute, so it's definitely not optimized for the 1 minute. Also, thanks so much for all the likes and the views on my videos. Leave a comment on this video how long you've been trading, if you're profitable or not, and if you are profitable, what was like the breakthrough moment for you that kind of helped you reach that point where you did start making money consistently. I'm really curious to know. Okay, I already checked the 15-minute. We're on an uptrend on all 3 instruments here. So I am going to trade today the same as I've been trading all week. And next week, hopefully I'll come back with maybe some adjustments made. Like zones that are close together in the middle of a big push, they aren't the highest quality and stuff. So like closest zones and the farthest zones kind of thing should be the ones that I should probably take. I might not trade super long today. I got to do a few things and start planning for this weekend. My brother's also going to start trading futures this week, and he wants to start making videos as well. So hopefully he starts uploading soon. This is not a valid demand because the liquidity is way too high, unless I was to count this candle right here as liquidity. But I'm not willing to do that because I don't know if it is bearish. And with getting more views and stuff, I know there's going to be like more comments and therefore in turn more hate comments and stuff maybe. But I can't let it discourage me because I know this is going to take a long time. So I can't expect results too quickly. This is my first week of trading futures, so nobody does good on their first week unless it's luck. Okay, we got all our zones drawn out. Let's see if we get a valid entry signal. Also, as I make this video, I'm at 129 subscribers. Almost double what I was at the start of the week, so I really appreciate it. Oh, we've got a zone tapped here on the Russell. Let's see if it gives valid entry. Let me make sure there's no resistance or anything. It's not reacting off this supply here, so I'm willing to take this. Big stop loss, unfortunately. Valid buy. We'll see what happens. All we can do now is wait. I should have one more contract on. I should be in with 4. Yeah, risking 39 now instead of 30. Might be a quick stop loss. All fair value gaps on this lag have been filled, except this one way at the bottom. I like that push. I just realized this is a 1 to 3.63. If we can hit this, I'll just take this. I've seen lots of good reactions and then it just turns around to stop loss, so don't get excited. If price reaches this 1 to 3 area, I'll move stops to break even. I'm going to leave my room for a little bit till this trade plays out. So close, but yet so far. Unfortunate. Wait for next zone. Closest new zone on NQ. Zone here. Dang, I got stopped out right around here. This demand and this demand are valid. I just don't like how close 3 of these are to each other. Definitely not taking this one since it's so close. I'll see what the rejection is like with this one, if we have any. Rejection here, but we're still coming down on NQ. I don't like how big this stop loss would be compared to where my target would be, so I'm not going to take that one. Guaranteed that's the one trade that wins. We'll see. In this zone on the Russell, it could flip right now. No, it's not flipping. Getting a rejection here. Price did low-key react off this supply in the opposite direction. Because of that, this is not really a high quality setup, so I'm not going to take this trade. Would have been a valid entry. ES hit 1 to 2. Big push up on the Russell. For some reason, my recordings keep cutting out. Anyways, we would still be in this position if we took it here. And this one got stopped out right here. Just waiting to tap one of these zones here. 1 to 3 would have been hit on ES if I had taken it. Would have been the first win. And the thing is, I would have taken this in backtesting. So I'll admit that's completely my bad. That was totally valid. I seen it and I just decided not to take it because I just thought that the stop loss was too big and the TP was too high, but clearly not. Could aim for this high for TP2 at 4.5 risk reward. This line here is 2R, by the way. Valid zone on the Russell here. I checked and didn't seem like there was any news today. Maybe I didn't read it right, but that certainly looks like news or something. We got a zone right here, but it's really close to this one, so I'm gonna take the lower one if it reaches there. Big for value gap now created here. Wow, that's gotta be news. Right through this zone. We might actually stop in this one, we'll see. Valid zone right here. Nope. Right through this one as well. Holy crap. We're in this zone on NQ. Wow. Next zone's super low. A lot of bearish momentum, but I have seen these work out, so I will take this. We're continuing down. Almost at this zone on the Russell. Super close. Can we tap it? Could just take off without us. Tapped in. Could close inside. 5 seconds to candle close. Okay, let's see if the next candle gives us an entry. NQ about to tap. Looks like a good rejection off this zone. I'm going to take it because it's valid. Let's see if it gives an entry. It did give an entry, but I wasn't ready because I'm too slow. If it comes back to entry, I'll take a buy. This first blue line is 2R. Second blue line is 3R, just so I can visualize it better. Oh wow, I actually seen spreads right there. I have never like noticed spreads, but I'm in right here. Hopefully we get some action here. 5 contracts. Like I said, adjustments, tweaks. It's gonna have to be made. It's okay. See if we can hit 2R here. I'll try to set up partials here. 3 contracts off here, and then let 2 runners go. Looks good so far, but I've said that so many times and then it's reversed on me. So we'll see. Oh wait, it filled me. It filled me. Guys, you witnessed it. Last day of the week. Finally got a W. Put that here. Move stop loss to break even. We'll see if we can hit TP2. We hit it. Wow, that was really fast as well. That was about a 1 to 4. Finally, guys, finally. How long was that trade? Trade was 7 or 8 minutes. I closed the rest of the position here because this is a supply zone, so don't want it to reject off this supply. Could go right up to these highs though, never know. I'm actually done trading for the day. It's a little bit earlier than I usually stop trading, but I'm not giving back any of those profits. Ain't no way. So let's check out the stats for the day. Well, this is for the week, but my win rate, guys. What do you think about that win rate right there? Okay, let's see. Average win. Okay, because this is counting my break even. I don't know. Okay, here's my account balance. Dropping. Most profitable day, Friday. Least profitable day, Thursday. I closed 3 here, and then I closed another 2 after, but it only counts the 3. Not counting fees. Looks like we made $164 on that trade. Well, that's a great way to end the week after taking so many losers. That's great. Looks like we are rejecting pretty bad off this supply. I'm glad I took full TP here. Okay guys, if you haven't already, I really appreciate it if you subscribe to follow along, so you'll be here when I actually become profitable and start making like hundreds, or in the future thousands a day, because I look like an idiot now, but everybody looks like an idiot at the beginning. Okay guys, gonna do some planning, back testing over the weekend, and I'll see you again on Monday for day 6.